The above-ground fleet rinsing systems from Dultmeier Sales are designed with Mosmatic rotary equipment at the heart of the system. These systems are extremely versatile, customizable, and relatively mobile for a variety of fleet rinsing applications. Regular preventative maintenance schedules with basic rinsing will drastically increase the lifespan of the fleet, as evidence seen here. This is the rust and grit that was removed from the underbody of just one vehicle. By removing road grit and salt from the underbodies of the fleet, this simple preventative maintenance practice will significantly lower annual maintenance costs. The beauty of the ramp design is not only the low clearance, but also the ability to flush debris that collects underneath the rotary head surface plate. Simply use a garden hose or high flow pressure washer to flush debris. This helps keep the rotary head spinning freely. The idea behind the smaller 4.5-inch rotary head paired with the 10.5-inch rotary head is that we use a more concentrated spray pattern to get into the wheel wells and rockers, while also leveraging the overlap spray coverage from the wider pattern delivered by the 10.5-inch rotary head. For this specific fleet size shown, the overlap spray is ideal. Another neat versatility feature of these systems is that one can quickly adjust the height of each rotary head and/or the angle of deflection. An Allen tool is all that is required to do this. Dultmeier Sales offers a variety of packages to meet a broad range of fleet rinsing needs. For instance, as seen here, ramp-only options are available for those that wish to only rinse the undercarriage of the fleets. These ramps can be operated by a pressure washer and more of a manual operation style. However, all Dultmeier Sales systems are photo eye activated for automated use or manual control mode. This is determined by the selector switch that the operator will choose on the control panel.